How to change your name on Facebook. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to change your name on Facebook, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your Facebook application on your mobile device. For that, you have to find the very Facebook application on your mobile device, and after you find it, you have to tap on that. After tapping on the Facebook application like this, your Facebook will be launched on your mobile device. After your Facebook is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to your profile like icon. After tapping on the profile like icon, now you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the next option. That is, now you have to go to the very option of your very settings and privacy. After tapping on the settings and privacy, now you have to tap on the option of settings. After tapping on the option of settings, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of your profiles. Now after tapping on the option of the profiles, it will take you to the next interface like this. Now here you have to tap on your very Facebook profile like this, and here you have to tap on the option of name. After tapping on the option of name, now here you can change your very name on the very Facebook. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.